Right guys, good morning. It is a Saturday. It's Saturday the 23rd of October 2021. It is currently 9:12 a.m. and I have just woken up. Actually, not just woken up. I've actually done some work for the last couple of hours, and today just kind of embracing my creative flow. Again, like these kind of videos are just kind of like a chill chit chat, just explaining some of the stuff that I'm going to do with the WonderKid, some of the stuff that I will be thinking about doing in the upcoming future. So it's just a kind of chit chat, so feel free to sit down and relax and hear me out if you want to. But if you want to, like I always say, if you want some videos based on trading or trading psychology, check them out on my channel. But this video is just kind of like a vlog and basically a nice chit chat. So a few updates. So one of the things that I've actually changed with regards to the brand, well, not, it's not a big change, but essentially my slogan is patience produces percentages. Now, for those of you that don't know, I've selected this slogan because I think when you're coming into the trading game, the most difficult thing is patience, because people think that, oh, you can make money very quickly. Even when they find a strategy that's profitable, they want to get into live trading and basically trade as quick as they can. And patience was also something that I struggled with a little bit, but yeah, not too much relative to other people I see. So for me, I chose that slogan, patience produces percentages, and I used the word percentages in particular rather than money, because if you're able to frame your mind, like I say, in percentages, you know, the money comes as a secondary byproduct of your thinking in percentages, and that is the game of trading, thinking in percentages. It helps to scale your account and compound and so on and so forth. So for me, one of the changes that I made that you would have noticed on my YouTube channel cover is that I wrote patience produces percentages all in white text. But one of the subtle differences that I made was behind the text percentages, I actually included a picture of money, which is kind of like it was actually the British pound note, right? So you've got £50, £5, £20 is a picture of it, and it's quite a subtle change. But essentially I added that because it is the theory of behind the percentages is the money, right? So like I just said, that of course, you know, when you come into trading, don't train your mind to think in terms of money, train it to think in terms of percentages, and behind the percentages, the secondary byproduct is the money. So that is what this slogan looks like. So, you know, guys, feel free to go and check it out on my channel. It is a really small difference, but I think it's really nice. It adds a bit of color into it, and it is very, very subtle and sleek. So that's what I think of that. Now, guys, one of the few things that I want to talk about today is, clothing and like merchandise. Like I know a lot of people have messaged me saying they really like the logo. A lot of people have actually used my slogan in their daily affirmations, which is absolutely fantastic to see. So I can see a few movements coming in and out. So for me, for those of you that don't know, I used to own a fitness clothing brand, so I used to design clothing. So I know this logo looks awesome, right? I want to go through. I'll probably do a video behind the reasoning of this logo, but the logo does look awesome, very sleek. I like the black color with the white and the gold. It is very, very nice for me anyway. But if you guys like it, then what I'm going to do is actually soon I will be basically selling not only merchandise, I hope in the future, but I'm doing some kind of prototyping now, like creating some different kind of clothing. So right now I've got a hat, which I love. That's the only piece of WonderKid merchandise I've got. But I will be designing a hoodie or a jacket or a t-shirt and things like this. And I will be adding something, you know, some slogans in the background with it. So for example, we could have the logo on your chest, and on the back it says patience produces percentages or whatever. But essentially, yeah, that is in the framework. Let me know what you guys think about that. I think that would be awesome, because if we can get this kind of movement going where we, rather than talking all about money, or when other forex traders talk about, oh yeah, pips and all this other stuff, like, you know, my channel again is to actually talk about the truth about trading, you know, and the truth is all about, it is based in the psychology, which is patience and things like this. So, you know, for those of you that have already subscribed to my channel, well done, awesome, because you're listening to, and you will know this, of course, you're listening to great quality content, right? It is not clickbaity. I've not made any of my videos clickbaity actually, which is probably the reason why the highest views videos that I've got on my channel is the ones that have FTMO in them, right? But apart from that, all the ones that are to do with psychology have a lot less views, but I'm okay with that. That's fine. I'll have a strategy around that, not making it clickbait, but making it a bit more attractive to look at and be like, okay, you know what, this is actually more for me, rather than clicking these videos of, oh, 100 grand profit trading by FTMO like in a month and stuff like that, which is great. You get to hear the background of the stories, but essentially, like, again, the core of it is to provide you value. Like, listening to someone make a ton of profit is not going to provide you value. It's just going to be like, oh, that's awesome. But you guys as you already know, my subscribers already know that you need to listen to pure value that will actually help you, right? Now, so that is another thing I want to talk about. So of course, like I said, clothing and merchandise stuff, that will be coming soon. So I'm very excited about that. Let me know, guys, in the comment section down below if that's something that you want, if you want a t-shirt or a hoodie, or you like the slogan, or if there's anything in particular you like currently about the WonderKid brand, then let me know, because then that will give me some ideas of what to put out. So that will be in the works very, very soon. Now, 3 of you guys of my part of my subscribers have actually joined my community. So amazing, big thank you. Like, I've actually received emails about that from my community, which is great. Now remember, like, I guess for those people that haven't actually joined a community or are thinking of joining, definitely check out my community, which is Guerrilla Trading. I've been with them from the beginning, and you know, I mean, I'm not here to sell, like, you know, there have been like companies that have messaged me to say, I'll promote our stuff through emails, and I've not done anything like that yet, because I only want to publish content that is absolutely valuable that I've checked out to you guys, okay? So I'm not just going to be advertising random stuff where people pay me to advertise their stuff. I actually want to give you value, okay? So for me, the only thing that I've actually promoted for myself that no one's told me to promote is my community. And the reason being is, guys, if you want a reason to join Guerrilla Trading in particular, it is, well, for me, I'll give you a couple reasons. There's a ton, but the main reasons for me that are distinctive versus other communities is, number one, the mentor really cares. Like, he really cares. Like, I've messaged him since I first joined. He's always talked to me, which is great. But he actually really cares, and he has pure dedication to helping you get better. So not only can you actually speak to the mentor, like, and he's there willing to help you, but also he does something called trade recaps, right? Now, he does this 3 times a week. So he does 3 videos where he not only talks about the trades that he's done, which is part of the strategy each and every week, but he's done this continuously for 3 years without fail, right? Without fail, not one video has he missed. And to me, that's pure dedication. And not only that, is that I actually mentioned this to someone yesterday, is that in these trade recaps, he doesn't just start off by going through the trades like in each and every pair. He spends like a good 30 to 40 minutes on every video just talking to the community. And he's talking about not only things that are very important, but he's training your mindset to get ready to trade bigger accounts and get you ready to be a proper trader. So for me, it's hands down like the mentor. Like, not only that, he's easily accessible, and he actually really cares because of that. Like, you're able, for me, I've been able to talk to him, become friends with him, but you know, he puts in pure dedication to this. You know, he really cares. It's not like someone's created a course out there and he's just like, okay, now I'm just going to rake the money and sit back and you guys buy the course and this and that. No, he actually really cares about your progression. That is the main goal of Guerrilla Trading, is to create the biggest community of most consistently profitable traders. And the strategy is very good because of the strategy. For those of you that are part of the community, it is designed to minimize discretion and emotion. For example, the way that you exit a trade, it is not like 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. We let the market decide, kind of like a trailing stop loss. It is great strategy to help you minimize emotion. As we know, trading is a very emotional game. So guys, please feel free to check it out, Guerrilla Trading. If you are not part of a community, if you are part of a community, then also feel free to check it out. You guys should want to actually at least know what other information is out in the industry, other communities and things like that. So there you go, that is it. Now, what else can I want to talk about today? So yes, I think as part of the channel has been great so far. So for me, I'm very happy with the growth. Let me know, guys, if you guys have spotted anything in the channel that you think could be improved on. So I'm actually asking for your guys' feedback. If there is something that you think that can be improved on, whether it is well, you can comment on the logo. I love the logo. I probably won't ever change the logo, but if it's, for example, the playlists or the way the channel's protruded out to you guys, I want to hear your feedback. You know, your feedback is very important to me. So let me know if there's anything that you want me to either do video wise or change with the way it's published. Let me know. Currently, you probably guys know that I publish Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays at around 11 a.m. So that is the current regime. I may or may not change that, but let me know if you have any feedback, okay, guys? Now, another thing that I want to talk about is a few of my subscribers have reached out to me and asked me about mentorship, if I can mentor you guys. Now, for me, like, I'm happy to mentor you guys in certain things. So, you know, feel free to reach out if you're struggling with something. So I am actually doing a few sessions, which is absolutely great, with individuals that have reached out. So if you're struggling, for example, with psychology, or you're struggling to find an edge in the market, or you're struggling with anything in particular with trading, like it can be anything. I don't care even if you're going through a tough time, like if you're just going through emotional time, like personally, and you want to talk, then feel free to genuinely reach out through my Instagram or through my email. I have my email that is now currently up in the about section of my YouTube. Reach out to me and I'll chat to you guys. Like I'll honestly like book a session with you guys and chat to you guys. Because again, like I say, my channel is all about helping. Now, I'm willing to help, but I can't help you guys unless you reach out. So if you're really struggling with something at any point in time, message me, genuinely message me. Like, I want to help you guys. So, you know, that is something that will probably be in the works as well in the future as the WonderKid grows. And like I say, it's always about helping you guys. So I could maybe creating, don't know about a website and things like this, but essentially some sort of platform where I can speak to you guys a bit more personally. I think that's the better way to teach, rather than like, to me, selling a course and creating a course on something, like even creating a course on psychology, like I've never found value in that, or I don't see it. I think helping you guys one-to-one is a lot more personable and a lot more effective. So, you know, that is my vision for the near future at least. So guys, like I say, reach out to me. I'm happy to help, whether it's anything. It doesn't matter what it is, just reach out to me. And for those individuals that have already reached out to me already and I've had sessions with you guys, you know, great, like thank you. Like it's amazing to actually get to speak to you guys and talk about any issues you have and get you to becoming a great trader, a profitable trader, but more importantly, having the mindset for the long term, right? That's the only difference. You know, people have asked, you know, how have I been able to become funded so quickly? How have I been able to become profitable so quickly? I think I became profitable I've been consistently profitable since my second month of live trading. My first month wasn't profitable. I was down a little bit, but after that, it was always consistently profitable, very, very quickly, good percentages. So, you know, I've been able to accelerate like that. So for me, the biggest difference is the psychology, what I tell myself, my beliefs and things like this. So that is very important. So I want to help you guys break through the barriers. Like I say, just a little snippet. There's no reason why you guys out there watching this should not be the best traders in the world. If you guys know of traders that do absolutely amazing things, like for me, the best trader, the actual best trader in the world performance-wise, especially in performance-wise, is my mentor, right? His percentages is crazy, right? Like currently this year at this point in time, he's averaged 20% a month, all right? Amazing. How has he done that? Mental mindset, playing the probabilities in the long run, looking at the large sample size, things like this, right? So to help you to frame your mindset like that, it can be very difficult, but you know, I'll have methods and I'll speak to you guys individually. So like I say, reach out and we'll chat about that. But anyway, guys, again, this was a quick vlog. This was really nice. So I want to do more of these. This is great. Like I love chatting to you guys. I want to do, I think, like I say, I want to do a day in the life of a trader once I get to 1K subs. Okay, that's a guarantee. Okay, you guys will have a full day in the life view of what I do day to day in my trading week with the camera in my face, and I'll show you every single thing from morning to night and probably during the night. It's gonna be funny when I record it. It will be like, yeah, hi guys, it's like 3 a.m. I'm about to put on a trade. My eyes are squinting, so I think it fits my plan. I think I'm seeing enough momentum, but yeah, that you know, you'll see that kind of day in the life, and that's the truth. You know, like I say, I trade all sessions. I trade Asian session, London session, New York session. But again, it's not like I sit at my chart scalping. I look at the chart every hour. We trade as part of the community I'm part of. We look at the chart every hour to see if there's a trade. So you know, and that doesn't have to be through the night. I'm not waking up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a.m. It depends on what I forecasted before I've gone to bed and things like this. So again, yeah, all of that day of the life of a trader will come at 1K subs for sure. So I really want that to happen. But again, like you guys have seen, if there's anything on my channel that you guys think can be improved on, I'm more than happy to listen to feedback. But for now, you know, thank you to everyone that subscribed to me. Like everyone that subscribed to me, you've been amazing. Like you have a lot of you have reached out to me, which is great, giving me such positive comments, such positive feedback. And you know, I'm going to be continuing to doing more psychology videos, more videos on reading price action. You guys have seen how I read price action, which is great. I want you guys to try and read price action in that way, because of course the candles tells the truth. I'll probably do a kind of like even skit, like a joke video of like when traders put too many damn indicators on the charts, because it's all just BS, like Heiken Archie, moving averages, stochastic, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, all this, like honestly, like God, like even just thinking about all these indicators just blows my mind. Like which is great. It's another thankful reason why I found my community, because they use no indicators. And this is another tip, guys, actually, because I've actually noticed this. So for anyone part of my community, right, if you guys, we'll also talk about inside bar. Inside bar is actually quite important kind of candlestick, right? In fact, probably one of the most important candlesticks that we talk about in our community, right? And when it comes to trades. So inside bar, like even if you're part of the community and you're using an inside bar indicator, don't. That is still an indicator, right? We're here to read the candlesticks purely. Don't have an inside bar indicator that basically colors up when it becomes an inside bar, and sometimes it is quite wrong. And the reason being is because an inside bar will be classified by the code that has been programmed on TradingView if for example the highs of the candle are equal but the lows are not, right? So it's not actually an inside bar. Remember, an inside bar has to have its highs and lows within the candle before. It cannot have an equal high or an equal low, right? So that is the definition of an inside bar. And the indicators that actually are published on TradingView color up like that. So those are wrong indicators again. So guys, if you're using an inside bar indicator, don't. That's my advice. Don't be lazy when it comes to reading if it is an inside bar, because you can know it's an inside bar if you hover your mouse over the candle and you read the highs and lows, and you read the highs and lows of the previous candle. Don't be lazy, do that. Don't use any indicator, not even an inside bar, okay? But anyway, yeah, I'll probably do a funny video about that, like just laughing at like traders that use crazy amount of indicators, okay? I understand like using moving averages, 1 or 2 or Fibonacci, I can understand that. I've seen profitable traders do that, but when it's too much, mad, absolutely mad. It's just, then it's like a very emotional and crazy game, because then you're just trying to find the perfect trade. Anyway, guys, I'm going to stop there. I think this has been enough of a video today. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to publish this video today, so enjoy this video. Like I say, thank you again to everyone that subscribed to my channel. Like, you guys actually want to improve properly, because my content is not just like flashing cash or flashing cars or money and stuff like that. It is all about psychology and, like I say, reading price action. But for me, how I visualize the future for my channel personally is that, like I said before in one of my previous vlogs, I do want to go traveling. So I think some of the backgrounds will change. It'll be better than my own bedroom here. It'll be changing a bit, which will be nice. But also I think I will be doing more lifestyle stuff soon. My lifestyle will change, which will be great. And I think I'll be using that as motivation too. But I'll never forget that, the most important thing is to create videos that are, again, helping your guys' psychology and price action reading. I'll never forget that. I think that's the most important thing. So yeah, whilst all the money and the cars and all that other stuff and fun stuff will come, and I'll be doing videos on that sometime in the future, which is what I visualize, I will always still continue to do videos that will help you guys more in depth. Again, psychology, price action reading, things like this. So anyway, guys, gonna end it here. Honestly, I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Like, I genuinely do. Again, like I say, like, I do really want to help. So if you guys want help and you want a one-to-one session with me, then reach out to me via email or Instagram. But I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. You guys are the best. Yeah, just love you guys so much, man. Thank you for everything that you've done. Thank you for subscribing. Such a simple thing. If you haven't subscribed, check out my content, and if you're willing to, then hit the subscribe button. If you like any of the videos, hit like. If you dislike, hit dislike. It's fine. If you dislike it, let me know. I'll know. But there you have it, guys. Just want to be genuine out here. So anyway, I love you all. Thank you so much for everything. Have a great trading week. Peace.